Welcome back to American Dream Mansions. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most breathtaking white and brown luxury homes you will ever see. With its modern architecture, elegant finishes, and flawless beauty from every angle, this property showcases what true luxury living really feels like. From the moment you see the house, whether from the ground or from a drone, you can tell this home was designed for someone who loves style, comfort, and quality. Let's begin our tour with a stunning drone view over the property. As we rise above the home, you can see the perfect blend of white modern walls combined with rich brown wooden accents. The clean lines, premium materials, and open layout give this mansion an eye-catching presence. The landscaping is beautifully maintained, with a large driveway leading to the entrance and a peaceful environment surrounding the house. From the air, the home looks like a modern masterpiece. Now we're heading toward the main entrance. The front facade includes tall wooden doors, elegant stone steps, and warm lighting that creates an inviting atmosphere. The white exterior walls make the house look bright and fresh, while the brown details add depth and richness. Every inch of this entryway is designed to feel premium. As we step inside, we enter the living room, which is one of the highlights of this home. The color theme continues inside. White walls, soft brown wooden panels, and beautiful natural light pouring in through the large windows. The furniture is modern and comfortable, arranged to give the room a clean and open feel. This space is perfect for hosting guests or enjoying a relaxing evening with family. Connected to the living room is the kitchen, and this area truly elevates the home's luxury. The kitchen features marble countertops, a center island, stainless steel appliances, and custom wood cabinetry. The white and brown combination makes the space feel warm, bright, and timeless. Whether you're cooking a meal or just enjoying a drink at the island, this kitchen is designed for both function and beauty. Right next to the kitchen, we move into the dining area, which includes a large wooden dining table, modern chairs, and soft lighting. The open concept layout brings the kitchen and living areas together, making it perfect for entertaining friends and family. This part of the home feels elegant yet comfortable, with enough space for large gatherings. Now let's check out the garage area. The exterior maintains the home's white and brown theme, with a clean driveway and modern door design. It's spacious enough to store vehicles securely and still have room for storage or tools. Next, we visit the bedrooms, starting with the primary suite. This room is designed for peace and relaxation. You'll find a large king bed, soft lighting, and wooden accents that give the room warmth. The big windows allow natural sunlight to fill the room, making it feel bright and calm. The bathroom attached to the bedroom looks like a spa. It includes a glass shower, marble walls, wooden sink cabinets, and clean white fixtures. The details are simple but very elegant, creating a perfect space to start or end your day. The home also includes a private gym, equipped with modern workout machines, bright lighting, and white walls with brown wooden touches. This room gives you the freedom to exercise without ever leaving your home. Now let's step outside to the swimming pool area. This outdoor space is truly stunning. The pool sits beautifully beside the house, with a comfortable swing chair and lounge seating. The white and brown theme continues outdoors, creating a relaxing resort-style vibe. It's the perfect place to enjoy summer days, night gatherings, or simply unwind. Before we finish the tour, let's visit the TV lounge, designed with a modern entertainment setup. The large flat-screen TV, brown wooden panels, and cozy seating make this room a perfect spot for movie nights or hanging out with family. From top to bottom, this house delivers everything you expect in a modern luxury mansion. The fresh white tones, rich brown accents, high-quality materials, and perfect lighting all come together to create a home that is not only beautiful but also practical, comfortable, and inspiring. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more breathtaking homes like this, don't forget to subscribe to American Dream Mansions, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. And if you have a luxury home you would like us to feature,